guys, I'm Sid and today I'm going to review this electric scooty named as TVS iQube. Now first have a look at the key. You get this flip key. So here you have an iQube symbol, you can see, and another feature of this key is that you get the torch light. See over here. Okay, now let's move towards the scooty. At the front you get the TVS badging. You have this beautiful integrated LED DRL, you can see, and this is a piano gloss black finish. At the here, this is the number plate area, and you get this is the symbol of the iQube, and here you get the slim LED headlamps with LED indicators. Just have a look how it looks like. It's a very slimmer to look it more sophisticated and more stylish and more futuristic as compared to the other scooters. Now at the front you get 1990 12 tubeless tires. You get both the tires of this scooty are tubeless. Now the front disc, you get the disc brake at the front. The size of the disc brake is about 220 mm, and you get the telescopic suspension at the front. Now moving towards the instrument cluster, you get this digital instrument cluster. First I will now it welcomes you. It's a TVS iQube, welcomes you. So on the left hand side, these are the controls for your high beam, low beam. These are the controls for your indicators, and this is the horn. Let's check the horn. This is the horn of this scooty. This is a control for the hazard. This is a control for the hazard lamp switch. This is the control for the parking assist. This scooty gets parking assist. That's a good thing on offer. And this is the button for your mode to select the mode. Now first I will just do this one thing. It's on your digital instrument cluster. Now here it shows the phone connectivity, because this scooty comes with the Smart X Connect feature that nowadays TVS is offering this feature for each and every sports bike. So you can also change the mode of this scooty. Now it's in a power mode. Just if you switch it, now the eco mode gets activated. Now the power mode. Now it shows the odometer, a trip meter, and average speed as well. So this is what it all offers. Now let's park this scooty and let's move towards further bits. So now at the here you get this shopping bag hook. Now the max kg it can hold is about 1 kilograms. So this is a hook for shopping bags, to tie your shopping bags. Also there is also another one. Now you get the TVS iQube badging. Now another good feature is that there is a light and underneath the wheel near the electric motor, you can see it's just like an ambient lighting. Now you get the twin shock absorber at the rear, and the drum brake size is about 130 mm. Now this gets 2.25 kilowatt hour of lithium ion battery packed with BMS. BMS means a battery management system, which produces about 3000 of rated power and 3000 watt of rated power and 4000 of the max power. And the charging time, it takes about 7 hours, and it goes for the 75 kilometers of range on the single charge at the top speed of, and this scooty has a top speed of 78 kilometers. So underneath the boot, this is to open it, I think, and this is here you get the USB socket with the boot light as well. Now this has 20 liters of boot space. You can see this is the health kit and tool kit. Now switching back for the rear, you have the TVS again iQube symbol with the park assist. At the rear you get this slim LED headlamps, tail lamps with the indicators as well. This is the number plate area. Reflector for the rear. From the sideways it might look like a Jupiter, an electric Jupiter. So the overall dimensions of this scooty is that the length of this scooty is about 1805 mm. The height of this scooty is about 1140 mm. The wheelbase is about 1301 mm. You get the 150 mm of the ground clearance and 118 kilo. The curb weight of this scooty is about 118 kgs. So this was all about the TVS iQube electric. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, ride safe, drive safe, take care. See you soon.